Ever wished for a tool to predict market reversals with precision? Imagine catching the highs and lows effortlessly, transforming your trading game overnight. Today, we're diving into a revolutionary trading tool, the Smooth Price Oscillator, SPO. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, this strategy-focused guide will show you how to ride bullish trends, profit from bearish markets, and sharpen your edge. This indicator flagged a potential downside reversal at a precise point. Sure enough, prices dropped, delivering a profitable opportunity for short traders. The same magic happened during a bearish trend when the tool predicted an upside reversal, allowing traders to capitalize on a lucrative rally. The secret: the SPO's advanced filtering mechanism eliminates market noise, focusing on actionable signals. Curious to learn more? Stick around as we unveil how this tool works and how you can use it to boost your win rate. What is the Smooth Price Oscillator? Created by TradingView user Big Beluga, the Smooth Price Oscillator combines John Ayler's super smoother filter to refine signals for trend reversals, momentum shifts, and mean reversion opportunities. It's perfect for traders looking for clarity in complex markets. The SPO stands out for its simplicity. Overbought, oversold levels. Visual cues for market extremes. Oscillator colors. Teal indicates bullish momentum, golden signals bearish trends. Reversion signals. Clear alerts for market shifts. Here's how you can leverage it for better trades. 1. Strong mean reversion signals. Use X markers for high probability setups. 2. Weak reversion signals. Ideal for optimizing trade exits. Pairing SPO with a strategy ensures precision. For instance, during a bullish mean reversion signal, ensure the oscillator is teal and price trends upward. While the SPO is powerful alone, pairing it with the VIDYA Indicator elevates your edge. The VIDYA's green trend cloud confirms bullish momentum, while a red cloud indicates bearish trends. Across 160 plus trades, backtested with a 1.1.5 risk-reward ratio, the SPO delivers results. Interested in advanced tools like the PineTrade's Market Beacon? These amplify SPO's accuracy, providing next-level trade setups. Make it your edge today. Using the Smooth Price Oscillator. Even complex markets can feel predictable. From spotting reversals to aligning with strong momentum, this tool equips you to trade smarter, not harder. Ready to take charge? Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more actionable insights. Start applying these strategies and watch your trading results soar. What's your take? Share your favorite trading tools in the comments below. Remember, this video is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor.